They thought when they broke you, you'd stay broken. They thought if they burned your name, scattered your spirit through the ashes, that you'd simply vanish. But they didn't understand something. They didn't destroy you. They freed you. Because in those ruins where they expected silence, something ancient awakened. Not a victim, not a survivor, not a second chance. A weapon, a force, a ruler forged in fire. They want you to rebuild, to smile, to forgive. You didn't crawl from the rubble to pick up pieces. You didn't claw through the ash to start again. You rose with purpose, with vengeance etched into your bones, with wrath engraved on your soul. This world thought it could bury you beneath betrayal, beneath silence, beneath pain. But pain only taught you one thing. You were born to dominate it. They mocked your fall, laughed as they lit the match, turned away while your world collapsed. But they forgot. Some things don't stay dead. Some monsters evolve in the dark. Some kings are not crowned. They rise. You are no longer rebuilding. You are replacing the weakness they fed you with willpower forged in fire, replacing the doubt they buried in you with destruction, replacing the fear that once held you back with the hunger to rule. You didn't come back for peace. You came back to take the throne they tried to erase. Not to ask, not to wait, not to beg, to take. So let them watch now. Let them tremble as you walk through the ruins, not rebuilding their world, but creating your own. A world where you answer to no one. A world where the pain they gave you becomes the empire you build. No mercy, no regrets, no apologies. You were never meant to fit in. You were meant to rule over everything that tried to destroy you. Let them see what you've become. Not a man, not a monster, but a reckoning. From the ruins you rose, not to rebuild, but to rule. They thought when they shattered your life, when they stripped you down to nothing but bone and breath, that you would crumble, fade, disappear. They thought the silence of your collapse meant defeat, that the ashes they buried you under would become your grave. But ashes are not the end. Ashes are the beginning, the first spark of something far more dangerous than they ever imagined. They didn't destroy you. They unleashed you. In the ruins where hope died, something else was born. Not forgiveness, not redemption, not healing, but wrath. Cold, focused, absolute. You see, they were wrong about you. You were never meant to rebuild. You weren't sent to rise and play the hero.